Hello students, in two videos we have already learned how to insert a video, kinds of database, and then in this kind of table we have just discussed about the last video that we have just changed our caption. Okay, now we have, suppose you want any other option, email or any caption option. Just we again to revise this, go to the design view. Suppose you want to name a email option, want to change, then just go to there is a caption option, and then it will please you just write your personal mail and then save on it. Just double click and see your mail ID will be changed, your personal mail. So we have already discussed what is a caption option. Now suppose if I want that there is a city option where we doesn't want we have enter something value, we want something a drop down list where user can easily uh, select a value. Just for that view, go to the design view, then go to the address option, then in last option you have seen that is a lookup wizard. Click on that, the wizard option is open. His option is I want to look up column, look up values in a table or query. I will type in the values that I want. So I click on this value. Here column 1 we have just typed the cities. Then Bikaner, then Jaipur. If you want more, just just next, just finish. Okay, now just save that value and double click. Now we have entered the value 5, enter the value Divansh is the first name, there is no middle name, then or then 14 April 2002, and just type the Divansh @gmail.com. There is a phone number, and you can also add attachment, otherwise not. And now go to the address option. Look at that option, there is a drop down option. You can select this value from anywhere. Suppose Bikaner or Lucknow, you just click here and value will be entered, then double click. Now you have see that is option is also occur. Now suppose you want to modify some values, you also add more than option. You again go to the lookup wizard and add more options in drop down list. Suppose you want to add any cities, like you want to add any city, suppose Nimrana. So just go to the lookup wizard is again open, then same option will be go. Otherwise there is another option, just click on there, and that is a lookup option already appear. In lookup option you have already never to go, just semicolon, then double quotes, and add the value of city with the double quotes, because it's a text, so it must be on double quote. Then save on that, double click, and you just add any drop down used, you also add that Nimrana will be added in the last option. So you can also add, there is a two type of values. there is a two method to add any city value. First, go to the design view and lookup wizard. Otherwise, just go this option, go to the lookup option, and then add a value, semicolon, with semicolon. Now suppose if we want something, apply a sorting in this is a name, you have just click on here. Here's a various option are that A to Z, otherwise Z to A. You have also seen the employee ID is also is different, and there is a various option where you can add a value. Here we can just see fill where we can remove the sorting. Again, see, either you have sort any kind of information, like suppose you want to sort a value through a name A to Z. You have just sort, you can see that is a number is also changed, old data will be changed, but you want to remove no sorting, just last option A to Z, clear all sort, value will be remain as previous. So it is actually a kind where we can apply a restriction and searching techniques. Suppose now we want to go to the again design view. In most areas, in most things where we option are different, something you have the code, suppose you want to given a phone number, something a different manner. In various option there is a code is also appear than phone numbers to this kind of value. See, where you just go to the phone number option, then text, then there is a value is input mask. Go to this option, there is a three dots, click on anywhere, you must save, yes, save that value, and look at that, there is a phone number option is a different kinds of values. You suppose you want to first area code and bracket, just click on that, next, 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 and then finish. Just save on it and double click. You have seen the first three digit as known as your area code. Suppose you want to add landline telephone number with area code, you must select the value with the mask. So this is exactly a value with some value. Okay students, so in this video we have learned out what is the various option with a design view. Okay, in next video we learned out query. Thanks for watching.